What's happening, everyone? It's been a while, and today we're gonna check out some dope and amazing kind of content for the Chat GPT. And I know a lot of you guys, you've been using the Chat GPT, and some of you guys have no idea what Chat GPT is because I believe we didn't cover this kind of topic on YouTube. We covered it, I think, on Instagram. So if you've been following me on Instagram, definitely you'll be seeing some videos of me talking through Chat GPT. But it's really amazing thing to be using it, and Chat GPT, it's make a little bit workflow become so easier. I even surprised one of my friend, hey Abdul, can you just find for me someone who can make a script? And well, I just did it in a single of a click without even him knowing, and the whole script was written through Chat GPT. The only thing through Chat GPT, you just have to change entirely things, like especially sometimes the wordings, they might be a little bit different, so you have just to clarify everything and get yourself into what you want to. So Chat GPT, it's a really nice and amazing kind of platform for using throughout your workflows and getting some ideas, asking it and making the AI get things here and there. And I think that's the most kind of dope thing about it. There's a lot of other people speaking about it, like yo, don't use ChatGPT, it's just making you this, don't use, sometimes we sing these programs or we see these things coming along, we just have to cope with it and know where you're going to be using it. So today we're going to check out something which is so much interesting, and I hope a lot of you guys, it's going to be helping you out throughout your work, especially when it comes to ChatGPT. And I'm going to talk about other AI website, and shout out to this guy on Twitter who shared with me this type of link, and I was so much passionate about it. His name is Pratham Kumar. So Pratham Kumar, shout out to you, bro, for making this thing happen. And this is a really nice and amazing kind of thing to just have a summarize, to know this kind of software, the way they work, and how you're gonna get into that and know what type of software you want to use it, so as you can unleash your work. So before further ado, we're gonna just get started. And yeah, right now we're inside the website. Now this is a ClickUp link. I'll leave a link down below in the description for this ClickUp link. Another thing, when you get into ClickUp, you can even download in terms of PDF, so you can keep it on your machine. Let me say you want to download it as a PDF, and your file will be ready. And if you want to sign up, I think, and log in, that's what's up. Your file is downloading, so yeah, you just give it some time and it'll be downloaded. But if it doesn't download, asks you for for the login and sign up, you have just to do that. But right now it seems like to be really cool, and we have downloaded our PDF, so you can save it for the future. So another kind of stuff which is so great about ClickUp, which I want to talk about it's all about the Chat GPT prompt. Now I know a lot of you guys, you might be into Chat GPT and you don't know what to do, you don't know where you can head up, what you can type. Sometimes it's a little bit challenging, if you're a programmer, you just want to write a certain code, and or your code has an error, you can just ask ChatGPT and it can solve you throughout that scenario. Now let me say I'm having a simple complex code. Now I have taken this kind of prompt here, or I can say to ChatGPT and paste it and say this way. So this JavaScript code defines a function called myFunction, which take two parameters p and p1 and p2, multiplies them together and return the results. The code selects an HTML element with an ID of demo using the document get element by ID. Okay, method sets the inner HTML property of that element to the result of calling my function. So it's really great just to see how much it simplifies our code. And this is the snippet. Now this is just the snippet. What about we ask it to give us give me HTML code alongside it. So what it will do, it will just make that kind of code, and it will make for you the whole HTML code out of it, which it's really stunning. So as you can see there, and this is ridiculous, this is just insane. So it just gave you some HTML, and I can say what about styling, because HTML comes alongside CSS and UI style, and let's see, what about styling? Certainly, here's an example of how to style your basic HTML template I provide you using CSS. So CSS is basically it's called Cascade Sheet, which can help you throughout designing your website with a smooth and amazing kind of colors, arrangement, and all of that. Is like a backbone of working with the HTML here and there, which is great. And the JavaScript is just for functionality, which is really amazing, depending on you what you want to make throughout your website. So that's really cool. So you can see we can go back through ClickUp, and what happens throughout here is just that these are the chat prompts. So there are a bunch of them here. You can check them out and enjoy throughout chat prompts and understand what you want to do with them. Not only that, we're having Chat GPT for prompts. So you can see there's a code summarization, refactoring assistance, bug detection. You can see there's code generation, which is really good thing that analyzes machine learning if you want to. So you can make even a chatbot if you want to. Like you can say let me say chat, where is my text? Okay, there we go. Chat bot. You can see development of chatbot. Let me say you want to make a chatbot about, or your chatbot to be on Telegram. You know, sometimes you maybe say, oh, I need a Telegram chatbot. So you can go here and paste your question, develop a chatbot to answer question related to the topic, and you can add your topic name, topic like tech, and you can say something which is so good, develop a chatbot for Telegram. Then just like that, it will explain to you how you can do that, which is really a great thing. So there are many usage on how you can use ChatGPT and explore bunch of stuff, which is really amazing throughout simplifying what you want to achieve throughout the software. The software is really coming in handy, and it's just amazing the way it is. So you can see here, create a new Telegram bot. To create a new Telegram bot, you'll need to use Telegram bot API. So you can just use the API. You can use languages like Python, Java, Node.js, depending on you, what do you want to build throughout your bot. So you can just do amazing stuff through ChatGPT, and man, it's just amazing. I'm just speechless about it. The tech, I can say, it's just so broadening, and it's so widening to understand it. And yeah, things I think they're simplifying nowadays. Like like back in the days, things were a little bit different, but nowadays things, they're a little bit amazing. So to catch up with this kind of technology, don't hesitate to do that. Just go and explore, take your time to understand how things they work, as well as you can come up with a perfect and amazing kind of solution through what you want to achieve. And it's just amazing. That's what's up, guys. I think, yeah, that is it is what it is. And another kind of stuff which is so amazing, I'll leave this link down below for the ClickUp, and shout out to this guy who shared with us these kind of amazing tools, and it's just amazing. Pratham Kumar, shout out to you, brother, and it's really been an honor throughout exploring these kind of tools, basically, which you shared with us. So my name is Abdurrahim13, and I know a lot of you guys know me, and we have been exploring throughout tech, and this is an amazing kind of tech, I can say, which you can just be exploring it and enjoying it, and know what you have just to do, and you already know what's popping up to on the next video, guys. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it on the comments down below, so as we can just, share things, mash up things, and understand things in a cool and amazing perspective way. So that's what's up, guys. Up to on the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video. So this is just an amazing kind of tech video of the day. Don't hesitate to just follow up this kind of stuff, understanding them and explore them, and yeah, you get the knowledge, and it's really amazing. So that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one, and peace.